say to Mama?
It's mine, Nini.
It's mine, Nini. What do you say to Mama?
That's your mama.
You're welcome, Princess.
Nini's.
Nuts.
Hello, everybody. It's me, Paris, today. And so we're at the park. And here's Mommy. She's just getting my sunscreen.
Nani, pareha ba ni sa imuti? Galuha na po niyang mata.
Yes, siguro galoom yung problema, Ma.
Kilo, may mga problema na.
Dudong ba?
Gusto ka na. Kamamit na.
Cute mo ka naman, Papa. Ay. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Happy Monday everyone! Ayan, Lunes na naman. So, dinrap natin ang ating Ate Paris kaninang umaga sa school. And, straight away, pagkatapos noon, pumunta kami ni Baby Celine sa grocery. So, nag-grocery kami kasi, even though kagabi, pumunta kami ng Cocos, kung saan ko binili yung mga Filipino stuff, marami pa rin kaming kulang dito sa bahay. Na, sa Woolies ko lang binibili. So, I'm going to show you yung mga napamili ko guys na grocery para mabigyan ko rin kayo. What is wrong? Ad? Ay, tingnan nyo guys, may nanonood ng YouTube. Alam na niya kung may ad. Sabi niya, ads daw, ads. Do you want Mama to fix it? Yes, please, Mama. Can you say please, Mama? Aww, so sweet. Narinig nyo yun, guys? Please, Mama. Since medyo marami-rami yung napamili ko, guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung saan aabot yung 7,000 pesos na pang-grocery nyo dito sa Australia. Although, alam nyo ba, guys, mostly dito ay naka-sale. Kaya, napabili ako kasi kapag mga half price na ganyan, very good yan guys, you know, it doesn't happen all the time. And start tayo dito. Meron tayong 4 na bags. Dito yung mga malalaki lang guys. Alam nyo ba, it's very hard to go grocery shopping kapag si Baby Celine yung kasama ko. And you know, funny, thing, when I had Paris, yung maliit pa si Ate Paris, guys, hindi ganun kahirap mag-shopping, ha. Itong isa ay meron talagang attitude. Meron talaga siyang, guys, magkaiba talaga yung personality nila ni Ate Paris. But, you know, that's normal. That's normal. So, ito, binili ko, Tasty Mix. So, 20 single serve packs na mga ganito. So, yung pang lunch ni Ate Paris, so ginagawa, normally sa Daddy Mike yung gumagawa ng lunch niya. Nilalagyan ni Daddy Mike ng ham and cheese sandwich, yogurt, fruit. But at the same time, nilalagyan din namin ito pang snacks niya. So this one, maganda to siya guys kasi yung parang tagpiso na ba sa tindahan. Sa ato pa, ganyan kalaki. So, sobrang liit lang ng laman niya. Since nag-sale sila guys, it's 2 for $15. So, dalawa yung binili ko, different yung isa. Ayan, ito may grain waves, meats, Doritos, Chapero cheese. Ayan. Lagay natin ito dito. Mamaya ko na yan sila ilagay sa tamang paglagyan. And then, I bought this one. It's paper towel. And it was $4 for this one. Normally, it's $5.50.
Yeah.
And then, this one, bumili ako ng 3-pack. Kasi, makakamura ka kapag tatluhan na siya. Kaya nga, value 3-pack, diba? Kasi, I think it's $2 each. $2.20. each. Pero pag tatlo yung binili mo, $5 lang siya. So, nakaka-save ka. Tapos, hindi ka ba pabalik-balik doon. Ito kasi si Daddy Mike, guys, kapag nag-shopping siya, pa isa-isa. Kapag ako nag-shopping, gusto ko yung pang bultuhan ba, para hindi pabalik-balik. But, yeah, we're two different people. And, we've got this one. Ito, medyo mabigat. Meron tayong ganito. So, pang snacks to siya, guys. Although, it is vegan. Sweet potato and yellow sweet potato, lightly salted, and it's less than 105 calories. As if naman kinakount ko yung calories, no? But, sabi nila, healthier version ng chips. Ito, it's also gluten-free na cheese rice wheels. 6 to siya, guys, sa loob. And it's also for Ate Paris' school. This is my favorite. Cheese. Mahilig talaga ako sa cheese na flavor, guys. Corn chips to siya. Certified organic. I really love this one, guys. Although, tumaas na yung presyo nito. Before, binibili ko to siya $2.50 lang. Dalawa yung binibili ko kasi $5. Ngayon, $3.20 na siya. So, binili ko pa rin kasi paborito ko. Lahat ng bilihin ngayon sa shops, guys, tumaas. Ito, wipes ni Baby Celine. Used to be $2, now $2.20. Alam ko yung mga presyuhan kasi ako talaga yung bumibili. Fabric conditioner for our washing. Sprite. Naka-sale yan siya, 40% off. Bumili ako ng bagong toothbrush na Ate Paris kasi masira na yung sa kanya. And look, you know me, guys, I'm a big fan of candles, scented candles. Oh, it smells so good. This is half price, from $24 down to $12. So, nakasave tayo. Malaki ito siya, guys. Walang nakasabi. Minsan, sinasabi kung ilang hours ba ma-burn. Maubos. Wala naman nakasabi. I've got tidy bags para sa aming bin, rubbish bin. I've got the extra large pa to, yeah. Extra large size. Malaki yung bin namin, guys. I bought caramel latte. Alam kong bumili na ako kagabi ng... What happened? Bumili na ako kagabi ng Sunmig, diba, na 3-in-1. But this one is for rainy days. Kapag naubusan ako, at least I know I have something in the cupboard. This one, the most important ones. Binili ko na kasi, alam nyo ba, mahal nito, guys. These are the vitamins for the girls. 4, naka-half price sila, guys. So, I took the advantage. Binili ko na. Kasi, mahirap nang magkalisod-lisod. Balik na yan siya sa, pagkamahal. Ayan. So, this one is the Nature's Way. Paris and Celine. Well, Celine, I just started giving her this one. Kasi, sabi dito, 2 years old. So, magtutunan naman si Celine next month. So, I decided bigyan siya. Start last week. And she loves it, guys. Gusto nila to kasi gamis lang siya ba. So, para rin siyang, candy. So, immune defense, this one. The other one is iron plus vitamin C to help support energy levels, healthy growth, and development. The other one is multivitamin plus veggies to help support healthy growth and development. And this one is calcium and vitamin D. What happened, sweetie girl?
Yeah.
Do you want to change? No, please, na siya doon, guys. Last one in this bag.
I know after.
Cadbury Fingers milk chocolate. And this one, pina-open ni Baby Celine sa akin while we were on the shop.
I'm just going by the notes.
Kasi baby shark daw.
You're saying that
Loob nito ay ham, tasty cheese, and sultana. So, kinain niya na yung ham, guys. She loves ham. Yung cheese, iniwan niya. And the sultanas, hindi niya bet. So, ayan. We'll get to Paris to eat it. Otherwise, mami na lang yung kain. I don't think they like sultanas, yeah.
they would have added. That one time thing was to add the
Free banana
to add
from the shop. So pag pumunta ka ng Woolies, they have like a space kung saan nila nilalagay yung mga fruit na kapag nag-shopping ka with your kids, you can grab one for free.
Because the OTP.
And then, vanilla, parang wafer siya guys.
I think
Pang treat din. I've got yogurt, vanilla yogurt. Yan. Ito yung cheaper version. Meron doon na mga medyo mahal. But this one is alright naman. Masarap din naman siya. Bumili ako ng mais. Nananggi ko guys dito sa nananggi ko dito sa kabukiran guys. Tingnan nyo. Fresh na fresh yung mais na binili ko. Kasi alam nyo ba, kapag na-open na siya, nasa packet na, it's $4.90 if I'm not mistaken. Pero kapag nasa pa siya, ganito pa siya, 90 cents. So, nakasave ako kasi lang to siya. Not even $3, right? So this one, $2.70. Tapos, kung bibilhin ko yung na-open na, $5. So, di ba ako na lang mag-open? Hindi nyo mahirap mag-open. Alam nyo ba? Ito ha, kung hindi nyo alam kay mami. What's wrong? Is that
yeah, rather than sending.
Kung hindi nyo alam guys, si mami nyo noon ay nagsanggi guys ng mais. I used to live in, I was born in Bukidnon. So, magsasaka kami. And, alam nyo ba, sanggi talaga si mami nyo guys. From pugas to abono to sanggi to arsa. Yes. So, this brings back memory. Dito kami nabuhay before guys. Minsan gapangawat kami sa among one guys kasi yung bahay namin before napaligiran siya ng kamaisan. So, kapag ganito na pang tilaubon na guys na mais, kawat is the key. Kawat is the key. That's a funny story. You know, sarap balikan ng childhood ko guys. Especially nung nasa Bukidnon kami kasi even though mahirap yung buhay, it's super fun. You know, no phones, no TVs, radyo lang. You know, yun lang, drama-drama lang sa radyo yung naririnig natin. And yeah, but it was, you know, happy memories of childhood. Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan. We've got piglets, yung mga maliliit na pancake. Yakult. Okay, kabachan. Bumili ako ng stir-fry mix. Ito yung mga vegetables na nakat na for stir-fry. With this, ano ba ito siya? Egg noodles ito? Yan. Kasi, if not tonight, tomorrow, mag-stir-fry tayo ng beef. And, meron pa tayong cheese for Paris's lunches. Wing nibbles, yung mga maliliit na guys, pakpak ng manok. And aadubuhin ko to. So I think this is what we're going to have tonight. Mag-adubo tayo with rice. We've got some fries. And the last thing in this bag is Celine's favorite. Actually, bibigyan ko siya nito ngayon. This is the mango, frozen mango. Yung mga nakat na siya. And this one is for $10. Hopefully matamis to siya kasi sometimes nakukuha mo medyo astron ba. So hopefully this is sweet this time. And the very last thing na nabili natin today is Celine's nappy. So it is size 9 to 14 kilograms. Kasi ang ating baby's name ngayon ay 12 something. So, fit pa rin sa kanya yung 4. And this is the cheaper version ng nappy na binibili ko. So, this one sinusuot niya dito sa bahay pag natutulog. But if we're going out, I tend to use the Huggies. Yung medyo maganda yung quality para hindi mag-leak or something like that. Kasi this one tends to leak. Napansin ko lang. Oh, you get what you say. So, yun na yun. Medyo marami rin yung napamili ko ha sa aking 7,000 pesos. And I'm pretty happy about myself. I feel like nakapag-save ako kasi nga
yeah.
mostly
I was
dito
saying,
mga 50% off, 40%
Does that make
off.
sense?
So, pakita ko sa inyo. Oh. Diba? So, I will cut some for Celine. This is her favorite. Hey,
I'll
Mama
triangle now.
wants to cut it
It is
because
quick.
it's very
Actually,
big.
pretty quick.
1, 2, ready? 1, 2, ready?
Heat.
What do you say to Mama?
No, it's mine.
What do you say to Mama?
Done.
It's mine, Nini.
It's mine, Nini.
Thanks,
What do you say to
thanks.
Mama?
That's your mama.
You're welcome, princess.
Nini's.
Nah, it's,
Easy,
it's all good. It's part of the job, so.
Wait. That's your favorite, isn't it? Nom nom nom.
That's alright. It's.
Tinry ko guys,
it's-
masarap
it's
siya.
what it is.
Matamis to this time.
But yeah, hopefully that makes it
really
easier for
good.
you. And even if you want to tell a guy, if
Not
you're
sharing, no?
struggling to find sort of think about who does what.
I love you. Go, watch. Mama's gonna put this
Yeah,
away.
but don't start sending me all the
I'm gonna
scams
put
and
her to
digital
sleep
boy
soon.
ones now. But
Yummy.
oh yeah.
A few moments later.
So it's nearly 2:30 guys. Pick upin natin ang ating Ate Paris. At alam niyo ba? Have a look behind me. Sobrang sunny today. It's 26 degrees in Brisbane. Ito ha, in the middle of winter, 26. Tinan nyo, naka-ano pa tayo? Naka maxi dress. So, diba? Sleeveless pa yan, guys. Walang winter dito. Kaya, magpa-prom tayo. Mag-prom tayo. Yeah, I know. I know. How about you check our mailbox? Look, if there's anything there. Busi talaga itong ating baby Celine. So, hindi siya natulog. Kaya sabi ko, it's perfect na mag-prom kami. Kasi, for sure, while she's in the prom, she will fall asleep. Tapos, walking pa kami. Very nice day. Uy. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Okay. Alright. Wanna sit down now?
No.
Huh?
No.
Tingnan niyo.
I want some.
Binihisan ko, guys. Super cute. Damit ni Ate Paris, guys. Siya na yung nagsusuot ng mga damit ni Ate Paris ngayon. Hi!
Me.
You wanna move it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There, okay. Do you wanna get up here now?
No.
Push! Come on! Oh, careful! Jesus, kining bata aga. Lisod-lisod ka man lang, anak. Nak! Ganun mo mong gilisod-lisod na mong kinabuhi, nak. Wala, ang init ha. In fairness, masakit siya sa skin. Tignan nyo ang aming silingan, guys. Oh, sus, ganda ng kanyang sasakyan, guys. Oh, may Lamborghini. Sana all may Lamborghini, nak. Lamborghini din naman tong sa'yo, nak. Bagaboo. Oh! You okay? Keep going. Keep going. She'll get tired. And she will jump onto this one. Anak! Yahay ka na. Okay, how about you have this? Look, Mama's got something for you. You sit down here. Careful with your finger. Rice wheels. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. What do you say to Mama? Yeah. Hey, show Tita and Tita what you've got. Me. I love you. Babe, check natin yung time. Baka kasi maghinay tayo, guys, and late na pala tayo. Ay, okay pa kayo. It's still 2:28. So I think we're like 10 minutes early. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Nandito na sila guys. Oh. May meeting daw sa classroom nila.
And actually, it's not the building window. We're just having a little play
Yeah, they're not finished yet.
over there. And I'm a little bit tired, so I'm over here.
That's her friend Georgina.
It's Georgina's birthday the second day after tomorrow.
Oh really?
Yeah. It's in September. She said.
Oh, that's right. It's next month. Remember we went to your birthday last year?
I remember 4.
Was it September 4? Wow.
She
Yours
said
is March 4.
she said I'm invited. It's Lily Bounce.
Oh, again?
Yeah.
Oh, where did we go last time? No, it was the mini balance.
And Fly the
Is it the one at the
World.
shopping center?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's in the shopping center.
Oh.
I remember we went there with I remember we went there.
With Caleb.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice there.
Remember Caleb? Remember Caleb in my kindy?
Yes, I remember him.
Well, that one was a little bit different, but same name.
Same name.
We had a new teacher today. She's
Oh, yeah, I think the meeting is finished now. I think, yeah. The teacher is calling you now. Come on, go back.
Hello, everybody. It's me, Paris, today, and so we're at the park. And here's Mommy. She's just getting my sunscreen. And I'm just here from school.
Dito kami sa park, guys. Oh, lala. Ay, gusto niyang punta doon sa playground. Sabi ko, gusto ko lang umupo na kasi tulog ang ating baby Chulin. Alam niyo naman. Minsan lang tayo magkaka-chance na upo ng ganito. Kasi alam niyo ba, nakarelate naman siguro yung mga mami dyan. Kapag nakaupo tayo, very comfortable. Naku, tsaka pa Didi, my lord. Kahit hindi gutom guys, Didi. Basta nakita niya na very comfortable ako nakaupo. So I'm very happy she's asleep now. I have a chance to stretch my leg. Just relax for a bit. And then maglalaro ang ating Ate Paris. This one will wake up soon. She can play for a bit and then we'll go home. It's a perfect day for it, guys. Iniisip ko nga lang yung mga damit na nasa washing machine na I should have taken it out sa clothesline para ma-dry na siya. We're done at the park, guys. And kakagising lang. Oh, anak, just relax ba? She just woke up. Let her wake up. Anong oras na 4:20. Ha? Did you have fun? Yeah, the park? Meron siyang naging kaibigan doon. Yeah? Can you pronounce his name?
I forgot.
Come on, keep going. We're crossing the road. We are going to... Where are we going to, Paris?
Daddy!
Too loud. Come on, quick. Oh no, she throw it away lang. She throw it away, lady. Why did you throw it away? And the Paris gave that flower to me. Hmm?
No.
Nagil ng bata.
But that's okay.
So good.
It's still fine.
Okay, punta muna kami ng bakery, guys.
When we're going back from the race, from here to there, I can get it back.
No, we will use this road. We're not gonna cross again.
What?
Si Madam ay may suot pa rin perlas lang sila nga tingnan niyo. Wala hiya. Dinala niya yan sa school. Pero, hinubad niya. Pasok na siya. Tapos, nung palabas na, yan na naman. Hello, where's the water na? Okay. Nak, why do you love pearls so much?
Because it's for mermaid.
Are you a mermaid?
Yeah.
Mermaid. Oh. Meron pa silang naiwang shockwave, guys. Yung binibili namin. Dalawa Natutuwa siya kay... Hi, how are you? That's good. Say hello. You say hi? Hi? Maldita.
Cheetah.
Lini's got macaroon. What color is it, lang?
Baby.
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 A Bobby. Yes, it's color Bobby. It's pink.
Hey, Bobby.
That's Bobby. That's Bobby's macaroon. You're my Bobby.
Come
Yeah.
on, Bobby. Let's go, Bobby. And the Barbie girl.
I'm a Barbie girl.
It's fantastic. She's a perfect
Magising na guys.
Nations and decorations.
Ang decoration.
Let's go, Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
You want this one, lang? Got two chocolates here.
You can brush my
Sweet
hair.
roll for Falicia.
Because
and
I
then-
love them. I love it.
You want this one?
Shamana. Oh my god, I love
this
it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't even know to open this thing. Oh my gosh, I don't even
You
know
gonna?
to open this. Oh my gosh, I don't know to open it. Ah.
Careful.
I can't even break it. Ah. How can I do it?
What lang? Ala. Okay. Naghahanap ng iba guys. Okay, what na? What would you like, honey girl?
Can I open this?
What is it?
Judy.
Didi. Tingnan nyo guys, nakauwi na kami. Oh, nag-iisa ang kanyang sapatos. Kailangan namin bumalik. Sabi nung nagtabo na mo ba na lalaki, sabi niya, did she lose her shoes? So like, yeah, she said, dito daw sa street na to. Buti na lang, hindi pa malayo anak. Paris, wait for mama! Paris! Hindi ka man nagsabi, nak, na tangtang na mong sapatos. Lulululu. Mura maghubog. Careful. Stay here. Sabi niya dito daw na street nakita niya. Front. It's funny, right? Because dyan din sa end ng road may nakita kaming Medicare card. Sabi ko hanapin natin yung may-ari nito. So dito din tagak pala ang kanyang sapatos, guys.
Did he say this way?
Yeah, this way.
This way and turn left?
It would be like funny enough if that white shoes is if that white is Celine shoes, because that's where we found the Medicare card. Oh, so funny. So may may card ako nakita ito. Sabi ko hanapin natin, ilagay, i-post namin sa Facebook page na lugar namin ba dito, para baka hinahanap na ito ng may-ari. Ay, yan talaga guys. Diyan din talaga natagak ang kanyang sapatos. Careful, ate. Careful, Lini. Good girl. See? Good job. Airplane. Okay, put it on. Put it on. Oh, tuara. Up. Up. We have to put it on. Nakauwi na kami. Ngayon ay magluluto na tayo ng ating hapunan. So as mentioned earlier, ito yung lulutuin natin tonight, guys. So wing nibbles, magluluto tayo ng adobo. Adobo manok. Ayan. Very cheap nito, guys. $6.38. $6.38. May dinner ka na. Sibuyas. Ayan. Malapit na siyang mag 6 o'clock, guys. Actually, it's 5:34 pala. Pero madilim na siya. Marami pa akong bigas. Naglalaro na yung dalawa, guys. Bahay-bahaya na sila.
The one, so
Kung maririnig nyo sa background, hindi pa rin tapos ang ating
that's obviously a
daddy night. Dapat sana tapos na yan siya. Uy, maaga naman siya mag-start. Ganyan na talaga yung nangyayari, guys. Pag ikaw na ang leader. Oh, wow.
I can start punching out the.
So, I've got tuyo, silver swan, tsaka dato puti suka. Iba pa rin talaga yung sarap nito, guys, no? Natry ko na yung tuyo tsaka suka nila dito sa Australia. Iba talaga yung lasa ng adobo pag ito yung gamit. Maybe because I'm used to this one, no? Sa Pilipinas, ganyan yung gamit natin. So, yung panlasa ko, Pinas na Pinas ang marinate ko lang siya konti, guys. Maaga pa naman. At least meron siyang normally kasi yung ginagamit ko rin yung mamasitas na yung powder na siya ba. Kaya lang wala mang available. Uy, yung naiwan ko dito is oopsie! Caldereta menudo. Yun lang, guys. Caldereta tsaka menudo. Chika din si dahil sa kanyang kasamahan. Sinasabihan niya yung kausap niya sa Filipino na yung asawa niya ay nagbablog. Sana all vlogger.
Yeah, who was just, you know, most Filipinos look like they're American
I was
Chinese.
just having a meeting with me.
She's fucking like, yeah.
Yes, my love.
10 years.
Can you just hand me this, please?
Maybe more. Hey, how long have you been here?
It's fucking
How long have you
no
been
piece
here?
with
Straight up.
nothing.
2010.
2010, so you've been here for
30
10, 30 years.
Yeah.
So she's been here for 30 years.
I just gave me a piece.
What is it?
Like
What
this,
is it?
man.
A piece of
Her
one that has
she's
nothing.
she's just got a
What is it?
Just plain.
The clean one?
I've asked her that, like, did that change over due time?
And take it off.
No. Not many problems.
Just one?
But she's not having a
Here.
Okay.
which is weird.
Ayan. So, iiwan ko lang muna ito, guys.
Somebody's.
Mabilis lang naman yung maluto yung chicken.
She pulled myself out.
I'll just cook rice and I'll drink this. Ito yung mugu-mugu. And this is coconut flavored drink with nata de
I'll
coco.
close it off now. So yeah, we'll try this. This is very.
Itutuhin ko muna yung chicken, guys, para hindi siya malangsa. Hindi naman pritong-prito. Mag-brown-brown lang siya ba. Yung rice natin ay tada! Oh, I love it. I love the jasmine rice, guys. Kasi long grain ba? Masarap. Medyo na yung rice. Ito na lang yung hinihintay. At hanggang ngayon, believe it or not, ating Daddy Mike ay nag-work pa rin. Ayan nyo. Andyan pa rin sa telepono. Ewan ko na lang. Sana all, sipa. Bahawa, B. Ako pag umakot akong gusto tanawin.
Hala, bastos! Bastos ka, di ba may tanong? Ikaw yung tutulong tao nun.
Dada! Ay! Agoy, burong. Kadit lang ka akong kamera.
Hala na.
Dada! Ay! Say, welcome back to our vlog.
Ay, mamitay.
Welcome back to my vlog, Dodong. Lingin manao ko, mga bata. Uy!
Hi, vlog! Say hi, vlog!
La.
Hi, vlog! Mali ko na
Cute naman ang pamangkin ko, guys. Oh.
Hala,
Malaki
nagtuyan,
na, guys.
guys. Ano lang?
Tingnan nyo, may guhot-guhot na siya, guys. Oh. May bakery na. Nagbibenta na ng bread rolls.
May pandesal na. Pandesal.
Ay, Diyos, ang simod. Kalamilap nito sa simod. Ala, naglaway-laway.
Naglaway-laway. Ismail lang na. Kwelaway na.
Nalihan galing ka sa kuandong. Alimango dong.
Nani, pariya ba ni sa imuti? Galuha na po niyang mata.
Yes, sigurong galoom yung problema, ma.
Giluom niya may problema na. Ang may problema na.
Wala na daw ko na siya inapi. Ngun siya.
Wala na. Ako mo
Ay, Diyos.
Napaman mamita. Tagaan pag minilulong mamita.
Kalami, kusion, be. Kusion na dito. Kusion nga ba ito? Alam niyo ba, guys, kapag nag-video call kami, tumatawa na siya, guys. Kita niyo yung mukha ko. Ma, pakita sa ma. Ma, ipadul sa camera ba? Ay, si mama na lang na ako, guys. Hala! Uy! Pahadlok pa! Ang dudong, si Dudong ba?
Gusto ka na? Mamita.
Cute mo doon, baba, ay!
Ay, mamita daw. Ayun, no?
Ala, cute lang ating pamangkin, guys. Ay, lami ay kasiyon, ay. Diyos, kalam na kasiyon. Nalanggit ni bro. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa. Nakapag-shower na yan sila. Fresh na. It's bedtime.
And guys, I'm just using the
Computer. Tingnan niyo, malaptop daw sila, oh. Awat-awat sa ilang papa.
Let me see. Tap, boom. Tap, boom.
Ala. Nakita yung ribs na. Naanapog ka, anak. Oh, awat-awat na siya. No, Mama's gonna turn the light off now, okay? It's bedtime. It's late now. Ate Paris will be like, I'm tired in the morning. Come na sa mama na lang. What would you like?
Didi.
Didi.
Mama?
Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
And you please be careful, everybody.
Papatulog ko na to sila, guys. Kasi it's time to clean outside na naman pagkatulog na to sila. Sobrang messy ulit, guys.
And this is where you go.
I said, good night na. Good night, tita.
Oh, that's a fish.